Introduction, Training of Skills. Administering sufficient anesthesia is a clinical skill that you will master through training. Workshops are a good training tool. An experienced colleague or an experienced student can supervise. You can practice handling syringes and needles and administering anesthetics on models. Training on a suture pad lets you simulate a given procedure without involving an actual patient. In simulation training, the mantra is never on patients first. Surgical models are available that realistically reproduce the female anatomy with the vulva, labia, perineum, and anus.
Thanks for watching. To watch the full chapter, go to gynezone.com. Not a member yet? Start your 7-day free trial now and get instant access to all our online courses for midwives, OBGYNs, and students.